how are you not panicking as a dancer? It sounds strange, but like honestly, I have problems sleeping. There are so many opportunities out there. We are in a pivotal moment in time. Like wealth is being distributed, it's shifting. It's never been like this before. There's so much money being distributed to different people all over the world. But we dancers don't act on it. Most of us dancers, we're just standing on the sideline, hoping that things are going to go back to normal. At what point are you going to take responsibility of your own financial situation? Like honestly, the whole world shut down. It's been shut down for approximately 2 years. And most of us in our industry still haven't acted on it. We're so busy talking about Super Bowl is not paying us, our industry is this is happening, somebody needs to do something. No, you need to do something. You need to take responsibility for your own financial situation, not like a third party. And I'm not saying that you should not teach at dance schools. I'm not saying that like big companies should pay us dancers. I definitely think so. But you need to take action on your own wealth. Like at what point? How are you not in a panic mode? Inflation is 7%. We printed more money. They printed more dollars this year than in the last 40. Don't you see what's happening with our economy? Like I understand that it's hard for most of us to like wrap our head around what's going on financially, but pay attention to what people are saying. Like that's one of the main reasons why we started the Passion to Profit program, to give back to dancers. Like there has never been an easier time in the history of mankind to make money. You have the internet, you're watching this by internet. But right now you're acting like a consumer instead of creating a business from it. The time is now. If not, you're going to get left by the sideline. Things are moving forward and you need to move forward as well. Send me a DM with the word passion and let's talk more about it.